Look what just arrived. A 2014 model scan-ready Global Advantage 122210 by Hexagon. This machine is like new. This machine's equipped with scanning probes and touch trigger probing, making it versatile and productive. The machine features a Hexagon robotic articulating head, TP20 type touch trigger probing, and the HP-S-X1H scan head. This machine is loaded with multiple modules for both, along with probe change racks. The system is currently configured with PCDMIS CAD++. This machine has a full measuring volume of 1200 millimeters in X, 2200 millimeters in Y, and 1000 millimeters in Z, or a 48-inch by 86-inch by 39-inch volume. The machine has been fully verified and inspected and ready for a new home. Call or email us today.